This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter Y. The sound is Y. Y for yellow. Say the sound and words after me. Y, yellow. This color is called yellow. Y, yacht. He sails on the sea in his yacht. Y, yo-yo. My sister plays with the yo-yo. Y, yogurt. Yogurt is made from cow's milk. Y, young. The opposite of old is young. Y, yolk. This is the yolk of an egg. Y, yell. Another word for yell is shout. Y, yawn. I yawn when I am tired. Y, you. You are my friend. Y, yes. I am your friend. Y, year. This year is 2013. Y, yellow pepper. Mommy cuts the yellow pepper for the salad. Y, youngberry. A youngberry fruit grows on a bush. Y, yak. This animal is called a yak. Y, yap. The sound a puppy makes is called a yap. Y, yoga. My sister does yoga every morning. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.